I went to Zonnebloemnest in Warm Estate. My grandmother stayed in Upper Warwick, and day after day I'd have to walk past Hill Street Park. On occasion I'd actually get to see someone busy painting, and then I'd sit and like chill. Like there's this little bars that separates the top park from the bottom park. I'd just chill there, and like I would never go up to like speak to anybody. Like I'd just like chill. And eventually myself and a buddy went and got like Cappy spray on cans and that sort of stuff, and then landed up like doing our first couple of pieces there. I started like just doing normal lettering, but I've always been influenced by characters. When I paint, I kind of pull in influence from the people that I meet on the streets while I'm painting. And growing up, my mom used to work for Reader's Digest, and she used to bring home like tons of books. So I would land up reading a whole bunch of like wildlife books. Eventually, like I ended up coming up with my own species of bird, because now it's amalgamation. It became graffiti, where it became different colors and different shapes and pulling in different ref from different things. The birds that I used as ref now became my characters, because they don't actually exist. Say hi.